Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning English and want to speak about your daily life at home, this video is for you. Today we will practice the simple present tense, focusing on home activities. By the end of this video, you will feel confident describing your daily routine at home in English. First, let's talk about the simple present tense rule. We use the simple present to describe habits, routine, and general truths. For most verbs, we use the base form like I eat, I clean, or I study. When we talk about he, she, or it, we add an S. For example, she wakes up early. It's simple, but it is powerful for talking about your everyday life. Now let's practice together. I will say each sentence slowly, and I want you to repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 7 a.m. Now repeat. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink my tea. I leave for work. I walk to the bus stop. I arrive at the office. I check my emails. I prepare breakfast for my family. I help my children get ready. I clean the kitchen. I water the plants. I take a short walk. I read a book. I relax in the living room. I cook dinner in the evening. I set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. Now you repeat. I help my children with homework. I relax on the sofa. I watch a movie. I read the news. I go to bed early. I sleep at 10 p.m. I wake up and start my day again. I listen to music in the morning. I fold the laundry. I organize the books. I feed my pet. I keep my house clean. I open the windows. I water the garden. I sweep the floor. I make a cup of coffee. I enjoy quiet time. I prepare my children for bed. I read them a story. I give them a good night hug. I turn off the lights. I sleep peacefully. I wake up refreshed. I smile and start again. I am grateful for my day. I plan tomorrow's task. I rest and enjoy my home. Great job! If you practiced 30 daily home routine sentences in the simple present, keep practicing and soon you will feel natural talking about your home life in English. I am so glad that you are here and I am your personal English coach. And today we are going to practice simple present negative sentences focused on your home life. By the end, you will know how to clearly express what you don't do every day, which is just as important as what you do. We use the simple present negative to say that we don't do something regularly. We add do not or don't for I, you, we, and they. And we add does not or doesn't for he, she, and it. I will speak slowly so you can shadow each sentence with me, just like I am guiding you step by step. Let's make this simple, clear, and practical so you feel confident. So, I am giving you some examples of these sentences. So, first, I will speak and then I will take a pause and you repeat sentences with me or after me. So let's start. My first sentence is I do not wake up early. Now you repeat. Next sentence is I do not skip breakfast. I do not leave the house early. I do not forget my keys. I do not watch TV in the morning. I do not leave my bed unmade. I do not ignore my family. I do not forget to water the plants. I do not skip cleaning the kitchen. I do not leave my homework until late. He does not wake up early. She does not cook dinner. He does not leave the house on time. She does not forget to lock the door. We do not stay up late. They do not clean the bathroom every day. I do not argue with my siblings. I do not forget my goals. I do not avoid my task. He does not miss his bus. She does not leave her homework at school. We do not forget important dates. They do not skip their evening walk. I do not forget my daily plan. Great work! You did a fantastic job practicing these negative sentences. Remember, being able to say what you don't do help you to express yourself clearly in English. Keep practicing and I will see you next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now. In the next video, we will meet with another interesting some English practice sentences and exercises through which you will be able to speak English fluently like a native speaker. But first, you should practice these sentences regularly. You can practice with the help of these videos. We will meet soon. Bye bye. I wish you best of luck.